Hello 646 students, my name is Amy Garrett Dickers and I am your instructor for the class. I wanted to take a couple minutes to introduce you to myself and then also to the ways I organize the Canvas site. Every online instructor in my experience organizes things slightly differently, sometimes very differently. So I wanted to make sure you understood where to go to find certain things in my own class shells. I know I've had some of you in class before, previously in your doc programs. I'm looking forward to seeing you again and also to meeting some new people this year in this class. So when you first log in, you'll see that you're on what's called the syllabus page. I've set that to be the home page. So anytime you would click on home, you'll get back to this main page. Any announcements that we have, the most recent announcements will be listed at the top of the home page or the syllabus page. So you can always find those again. I have not reproduced the whole syllabus, but I've put in some basic information. The syllabus itself is linked in the modules, and also you can find that in files, and I'll show you where both of those are. But there's my information. This is my office number. I'm not currently on campus. I'm in my home office. So if you left a phone number, if you called me there, leave a message and send me an email. So you can just email me. I also have a Google Voice number if you want to talk face to face. Talk one-to-one, I guess, not face-to-face, but if you want to talk over the phone. And I'm more than happy to meet with you, any of you, via Zoom as needed. If you do want to meet, the easiest way to set up an appointment with me is to really just click here on my bookings link, and that'll take you to my calendar and show you what's available. So it gives you some basic information here on the front page. At the bottom, it lists the due dates for your assignments. So as we add more and more assignments with due dates, those will get listed to the bottom on the home page. So you can always kind of keep track. They're also listed here under the to-do section, and then they're also listed on the actual course calendar. I work in modules, so if you go ahead and click onto modules, you'll see that there are two modules available currently. One is important course materials, so that's where you'll find the course schedule and the syllabus. And then module 1, which is the introduction module. So you click on either one of those. There also, I will add after the screen capture, a page in here under important course materials that says screen captures, and all the screen captures I make during class, I will add to that kind of running list, so you can always go back and find those again. And then, as I said, I work in modules, so you'll see that module 1, introduction, really is kind of a get to know you week. I learn a little bit more about the class, learn about each other, learn about me, specifically in regards to global experiences, international experiences, and then you'll be doing some reading of some Global Citizens articles. And I'll do a separate screen capture of module 1, so you kind of know all the details of what you should be working on for that week. Traditionally, after this first week, our modules will be multiple weeks long, and you can see that in the course schedule, which I'll also go over in a separate screen capture. So you should be able to find in every module this first document that'll say read first, and it'll be the module task list. And what I do when I organize the Canvas site is I do create that task list, and I provide you all the links that you need. And then again, I have pulled out some of those specific links for the assignments in here. So you can post the global intro and post your global citizens response. One other thing to note, you can access all the assignments directly, all the discussions, the files, the pages, etc. In the discussion board, there is an ask your question forum, and so I always provide a space in my online and hybrid classes for students to kind of ask and pose any questions they have, especially because I do get a ton of email. It's often easier for you to post in the Ask Your Question forum because I have those notifications sent to my phone from the Canvas app. So I know that somebody's posted. I need to go in and check on it. And this would be for questions that are course related, specific, especially if you think there's something that other people might benefit from hearing the same answer. So like, can you clarify what's due on X date? This PDF wasn't working or doesn't look right to me. Can you check it for me? I'm really not sure what we need to do for this assignment. Can you explain it again or differently? Or can you provide a screen capture or something like that? Those kind of course specific questions. If you have individual questions or comments or things that you need to talk to me about, by all means, feel free to reach out to me individually. But this is just the kind of way to streamline some of those big questions and course related that other people might have the same. Because if a link doesn't work for you, it probably doesn't work for somebody else either. So that's really kind of it. A very simple structure, I think. Again, I do work in modules and try to provide all those links for you. If you know that some of your other faculty members use different links here that would be helpful for you, it's easy enough for me to provide those and move those up so that they'll be there too. So if there's something you'd really like to see, then let me know and I'll be happy to add it back into the menu. So I look forward to getting to know you this semester and really talking about all things global and comparative along the way.